Ever wondered what it takes to get a driver's license in New Jersey? In the hustle and bustle of the Garden State, having a driver's license isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're a teenager eager to hit the road or an adult looking to upgrade your commuting game, this video is your guide. We'll walk you through the process, demystifying the steps and making it as straightforward as possible. Keep watching to discover how you can hit the road legally. Before you can start the process, you need to meet the eligibility criteria. Now let's dive right into what these criteria are for obtaining a driver's license in the Garden State. Firstly, age matters. You must be at least 16 years of age to apply for a student learner's permit and 17 for a probationary license. Finally, 18 is the magic number for a basic driver's license. Secondly, establishing residency in New Jersey is a must. You'll need to provide proof of address. This could be a utility bill, bank statement, or rental agreement. Additionally, you'll need to pass a vision test to ensure you can see well enough to drive safely. And remember, you'll also need to provide your social security number. Lastly, if you're under 18, you'll need parental consent. Once you meet these criteria, you're ready to begin the process. Now let's delve into the step-by-step process of obtaining a driver's license in New Jersey. First and foremost, you need to apply for a learner's permit. This involves visiting your local motor vehicle commission agency with required identification documents. You'll need to bring proof of your identity, your social security number, and proof of your New Jersey residency. Once your documents are verified, you'll have to pass the knowledge and vision tests. The knowledge test consists of 50 questions about traffic laws and safe driving practices, and you'll need to get at least 40 correct to pass. The vision test, on the other hand, checks if your eyesight meets the minimum standards for safe driving. After passing these tests, you'll be issued a learner's permit, which allows you to practice driving. But remember, you must always be accompanied by a licensed adult driver whenever you're behind the wheel. The next step is to enroll in a behind-the-wheel driving course. This is a mandatory 6-hour course that gives you hands-on experience in driving. Once you've completed this course, you're ready to hit the road for some supervised driving practice. After you've had your permit for at least 6 months and have practiced enough, you can schedule your road test. This is where you'll demonstrate your ability to drive safely and follow traffic laws. Remember to bring your learner's permit, proof of registration and insurance card for the vehicle you'll be driving. Once you've passed your road test, congratulations, you're almost there. The final step is to visit the Motor Vehicle Commission again to upgrade your permit to a probationary license. You'll need to pay a fee, and don't forget to bring your learner's permit and the stamped road test receipt. This probationary license comes with a few restrictions, but after 1 year of safe driving, you can return to the Motor Vehicle Commission to upgrade to a basic driver's license. Following these steps will put you on the fast track to becoming a licensed driver in New Jersey. While the process might seem straightforward, there are some common mistakes that can slow you down. One of the most common missteps is neglecting to study the New Jersey Driver's Manual thoroughly. It's not just a book, it's your roadmap to passing the written test, so make it your new best friend. Another pitfall is underestimating the importance of practice. Don't rush to take the road test before you're ready. Remember, practice makes perfect. And it's better to take your time and be fully prepared. Also, keep in mind that failing to bring the necessary documents on test day is a surefire way to stall your progress. Double and triple check that you have everything you need before you leave the house. Lastly, don't let nerves get the better of you. Stay calm, believe in your abilities, and you'll do just fine. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can streamline your path to getting your license. So there you have it. The process of getting a driver's license in New Jersey. We've walked through the eligibility criteria, laid out every step of the process, and even shared some common pitfalls and tips to aid your journey. Remember, each step is crucial, from meeting the eligibility requirements to passing the road test. This process might seem daunting, but with careful preparation, it's entirely manageable. With this guide, you're well equipped to navigate the process of getting your New Jersey driver's license. Safe driving? Before we wrap up, let's quickly revisit the steps to obtain your New Jersey driver's license. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. Next, apply for a learner's permit and pass the necessary tests. Once you've got your permit, enroll in a state-approved driving course and schedule your road test. And remember to avoid the common mistakes we highlighted earlier. Follow these steps and you'll be on the road in no time. Remember, safety is paramount. Drive safe and enjoy the freedom of the open road.